Welcome back to imouttraveling. My name is Raul, and today is the day when one of you go home with one of these. Finally, over the past month or so, we've been talking everything GoPro, from accessories to time warp, GoPro reviews, and finally today has arrived where I announce who the winner is. Before we start though, let's go over the details of the contest. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna be referring to my notepad to make sure that I don't miss any of the details. And once I pick the winner, I'm pretty much gonna write the winner on the notepad to make sure that I don't miss any of you guys, all right? So the first category is gonna be Instagram. On Instagram, I asked you guys to pretty much tag 2 friends on this picture right here, and then pretty much my comment picker will randomly pick a winner. The second way on Instagram was pretty much to tag any of your favorite pictures or videos to imouttraveling, and I'll personally pick one of those videos or pictures, right? Then moving on to the YouTube category, I pretty much asked you guys to comment anything. Great video, but follow it up with a hashtag GP9, and pretty much on any of the videos, any of the GoPro related videos, right? So since we started this whole process, we've made 5 GoPro related videos. So we're gonna pick one winner from each of those GoPro videos. So that's gonna be a total of 5 possible winners from the GoPro videos, right? And keep in mind, it has to be using the hashtag GP9. And then the last way would be on YouTube, was pretty much I asked you guys to pick any random video, all right? And I'll pretty much surprise you guys to which random video it is, and the same concept applies. Use the hashtag GP9 to it. The whole time I'm gonna be screen recording there so you can see everything that I'm doing, all right? So you guys wanna get it started? Because I'm ready for this. I'm ready to give you guys one of these guys right here, and I'm excited for it. So one of the things though, keep in mind that whenever I announce a winner, if it's on Instagram, I'll DM you, and if it's on YouTube, I'll reply to your comment, or if not, you need to send me your email address, right? And I'll show you exactly how to do that later. All right, so let's get this started. All right, excited. All right, so as you guys can see, we're here, I'm recording everything, and I have right now the Instagram comment picker, all right? So for the Instagram comment picker, I'm pretty much gonna select the media, and I asked you guys to pretty much use this picture right here, the giraffe, right? And we've had a lot of comments, a lot of different comments here. So let's pick that media here on the comment picker, the giraffe one. Where's that? Right here, okay? And then pretty much I'm gonna filter duplicate users. You know what? For this one, I'm not gonna filter duplicate users. I'm gonna let you guys tag as many people as you want here. But there is a specific text. Actually, no, there's not. There's no GP9. This is just pretty much tagging any friends. So let's see how many possible winners there are. Get comments. There are so far over 200. There's 279 comments on this picture alone. All right, so now we're gonna pick the winner. We're gonna come down here. So for the first round, here we go. Let's see. The winner is JVDSS3, and you tagged 2 friends, as you can see here. So, and you did it on, well, that was today, October 17th. So yes, JVDSS3. So let me write that down. Congratulations for now, all right? So IG tag JVDSS3. Pretty much what I'm doing is I'm writing all the names down, and then at the end, I'm gonna do a championship round, and I'm gonna put all the winners on one pretty much category, and then the comment picker will pick one random winner from all these, winners here. So number 1 is JVDSS3. All right, so then number 2, this part was a little bit tricky for me because I didn't want to leave it to a random comment picker. I personally wanted to pick the picture or video, and there's been so many of them, so many great ones. And if you guys didn't win, keep in mind, December 1st will be the next opportunity, and I'm not picking the same winners, right? So in this case, I am picking, so we're gonna come here to the tagged feature here, and I'm scrolling down because I already know which one it is that I liked. I mean, I like them all. A lot of them, they're so good. You guys were so creative. And this is my channel. It's all these pictures that I'm seeing here are just similar to this. And that's what I love about traveling. Every picture is so unique. All right, so let's get down to it. And I think it was right here. Okay, so this video is pretty cool. It's a guy surfing, and actually I want to make a video similar to this, which is why it just kind of resonated with me. So let's check it out very quick. This is it right here. Pretty cool. That's cool. The door opening, I did that too. Really cool video. So all right, so that's pretty much the video. All All right, so I'm going to write their name here, Ulysses Free Surfer. All right, so we got that one. So those are the two winners. All right, like everything, I already checked this. You guys pretty much have to follow us on YouTube and on Instagram. All right, so with that being said, let's move on to the YouTube category now. And there's gonna be a lot of possible winners here, right? So let's go on to the YouTube random picker. So we are here, YouTube comment picker, right? And the first video was gonna be the first one that we announced that we're doing a giveaway, right? So the GoPro 9 giveaway. I don't know why it looks so blurry right here, but let me see. There you go. Anyways, that's the video, right? So with that being said, I'm gonna copy this link. Okay. And I'm gonna paste it right here on the URL. Okay. This one, filtering duplicate users, all right? And we are pretty much doing it based on a specific hashtag or specific text. In this case, it's hashtag GP9. So I already wrote GP9, hashtag GP9 here, all right? And I'm going to get YouTube comments. So let's see how many comments we had for this video. We've had a lot of comments. Wow, 302 unique comments. That's crazy. All right, so now we are going to select the winner from the first video on YouTube. All right, there's 5 of them. So this is number 1. All right, so let's see. So in this one, we had Joel Matthew Vadian. All right, I'm sorry if I butchered that, but Vadian. All right, keep creating good content like you do. Inspiring YouTuber. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. And let me see. Hashtag GP9. Where is it at? Oh, right there at the bottom. Hashtag GP9. So good, good, good. All right. So we got you. I'm going to write your name down here. Joel Matthew. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. So far we've had 3 possible winners out of a total of 8. So we have 5 more. Let's go to the next video. All right, so the next video is going to be so the first one was that one. Second one was going to be the GoPro, the new features, the GoPro 9 versus the 7. I always skip a generation, and I'm glad I didn't get the 8 because the 8 doesn't have the removable lens cap. So at least, you know, the 9 and the 7 is a really good comparison to see the drastic changes, right? So in this video, I'm going to copy the link. So let's see, copy that. All right, and I'm coming here to the YouTube comment picker again, changing this out, pasting the new link, hashtag GP9, the same thing. All right, cool, keep you there. So let's see. 158 unique commenters on this one, pretty cool. All right, so now let's see the winner. Okay, we have Jay Gore. Jay Gore, all right, Jay Gore. So let's see, make sure you got GP9. GoPro stabilization is amazing. I love the part of the slow motion. I did too. And the stabilization on GoPro from the 7, it was great. The 9, even better. I agree with you on that. Hashtag GP9, there we go. All right, so we got you, Jay, on the list. All right, number 3, video number 3 is pretty much a GoPro 9 update. Pretty much just to let you guys know what I was doing, right? I always like to inform you guys. I give you updates all the time. So I'm gonna copy this link. Let me see. Okay, got it. And then we are going to do the same thing. Delete this one. And GP9, same thing. So this is a 3rd possible video on the GoPro for YouTube. GP, GoPro. All right, so we got 257 unique commenters, awesome. And then let's start this very quick. Let's see. Miguel Martinez, those are sick cars, hashtag GP9. I agree, I love cars. So traveling, cars, and food, those are my 3 passions. So most of the videos you see, you're gonna see me with my car or random cars. And I go to a lot of car club meetings. So most of the time when you see all these other cars, it's because there's random, you know, friends or other people that I meet that have cool cars. Most of my videos will have cars for the most part. So yeah, so let's write your name down, Miguel. Miguel Martinez. All right, cool. All right, next one is gonna be the GoPro 9 accessories and my top 6, which don't forget about the swivel stick. This is actually the cool one. And this is actually gonna come in handy when I pick another winner. You'll see why. All right, so GoPro 9 accessories. All right, so let me copy this link here. Okay. All right, so deleting this one. All right, and we are starting, same thing, GP9, all that, right? So let's see how many. 129 unique commenters, all right? So let's see, 129 commenters. So this is the 4th one, all right, out of 5. And we got Mr. Pulingo, Mr. Pulingo. Cool. All right, so on 135, the masking was missing, bro, on this video. Masking, check what you're talking about. Masking was missing. Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. I saw that too, and you know, I kept on playing around with this, and I was just in a rush, and I was like, you know what? It's okay, right there. That's what you're talking about. I saw that too. And that's because there's 2 ways of masking, right? One would be a shape mask, where pretty much it just gets a whole frame. And the other way will be a draw mask, where you cut everything out. That draw mask will take a lot of time. And because this was not like a travel cinematic video, it was just a basic little video. I was like, I'm not gonna do all that. And I tried to hide it, and I was gonna put a bar in the middle, but I was like, you know what? It'll look weird. So I was like, nah, we'll leave it like that for now. But yeah, good eye in that. And I saw that, and that was bugging me too. I was about to just do it over again, but I was like, you know what? I can't. I just got to go run with it already. But yeah, I agree. But yeah, good eye on that. All right, so did I write your name down? I did, right? Okay. So then the next video is going to be the GoPro 9 giveaway this week, pretty much where my brother was in town. He's still here. And pretty much we have, talked about, that's Cheeky. It's my little Cheeky right there. All right, guys. So, let me see, where's my brother at? I want to show you my brother. It's this guy right here. So, just to let you guys know, he can't enter, all right? That was just a joke, but he does want one of these, all right? So, hopefully he'll mix it to you guys, because I'm going to have him be the one shipping it to you guys. So, hopefully he doesn't take it, all right? All right, so this guy, this video, let's copy the link. All right. And now we're gonna paste it on here. Okay. All right, so we are starting this now. Okay. This is the last one for the GoPro portion of YouTube. There's still one more YouTube video. So it's 151 unique commenters on this one, all right? And let's see who the winner is. Jose Caceres. All right, perfect. All right, so looking forward to the first giveaway, hashtag GP9. There you go. All right, so those are the 5 possible GoPro ones. Now, I also asked you guys to pretty much pick any random video, and I'll surprise you, and I'll pick my favorite, well, not my favorite one, but one of my favorite ones. All right, so in this case, let me write this down for this number 6 video. It's gonna be, my random video that I picked was this one right here. And let's watch it very quick. It's a minute. Well, we had like 56 seconds. North Shore Hawaii Shark Cage Diving, 1 minute video, and pretty much this is it. And I'll show you why I picked it. Every video, cinematic or travel videos, always incorporate a drone shot. I love drones. Sharks, it's pretty cool. So this cage was a floating cage. It didn't go down. So we just stayed there the whole time. But they like drifted us apart from the boat. That's cool. All that is with this. That's why I picked this video, because number 1, it's a cool video. It's traveling, GoPro use underwater, right? But then also I used one of the accessories that I talked about, which was this one, the swivel stick. So I was recording the sharks and then boom, back to me. Really cool video, at least I thought so. And that tool is one of my favorite ones. So now let's pick the winner from this video. All right. Okay, so here we are. Hashtag GP9 again. Let's see. So 64 unique commenters on this one, which is why I like to do the random videos, because we don't know which one we're gonna do, right? So here we are gonna start. All right, let's see who the winner is here. SOL, slice of life. Keep working hard, you'll be famous. Hashtag GP9. I don't know about famous, but thanks, and I will keep on working hard. I enjoy doing this, honestly. It's fun. I love creating. So one of my favorite parts about the YouTube part is that obviously recording everything is great, but I actually like editing it, putting it together, putting the songs, the sound effects, everything. And that's my favorite part of creating. So SOL, slice of life. All right. So now that we have the 6 YouTube winners and the 2 Instagram winners, now let's pick the actual winner. All right, so we're gonna go to the championship round. I'm going here. I'm gonna write all these. All right, so before I start this part now, keep in mind that this is just for one GoPro. All right, the people that didn't win, December 1st, we're doing the second GoPro giveaway announcement. All right, so stay tuned, be patient. You still have one more chance, all right? So let's see who the winners are here. All right, and 8 names. Yep, there we go. Moment of truth. This is where we announce the winner. 1, 2, let's see. Oh, too hard. 1, 2, go. Wait, what is it now? Sorry. There you go. Crazy. The winner is Mr. Pulingo. Congratulations. You won yourself this GoPro 9 Hero Black. Congrats. You're going to have so much fun with this, all right? So there you go. Let me write this down. So Mr. Pulingo, keep in mind you need to send me your email address, all right? And message me on Instagram. That's how you could do it, right? So direct message me on Instagram, send me your email address, or also comment on the video that you won and send me your email address. All right, guys, if you didn't win, don't worry about it. We still have one more GoPro right here for you guys, all right? So keep on doing what you're doing, all right? And on December 1st, I'll announce the winner of this GoPro 9. Thanks again for watching. See you guys on the next one.